Hi everyone, my name is Ngọc Mai. E, E, please, please, please speak English with me. Please speak English with me. Difficult, difficult. It's not difficult to speak English. It's not difficult to speak English. Everything, everything is ready. Everything is ready. Practice, practice, practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. Wonderful, wonderful. My mother is a wonderful teacher. My mother is a wonderful teacher. Perfect, perfect. He speaks perfect English. He speaks perfect English. Remember, remember, remember to call your mother. Remember to call your mother. Together, together. America and Vietnam should always work together. America and Vietnam should always work together. Bother, bother. Sorry to bother you. Sorry to bother you. Charming, charming. You have a charming smile. You have a charming smile. Always, always, always say please and thank you. Always say please and thank you. Important, important. It's important to practice English every day. It's important to practice English every day. Should. You should work harder. You should work harder. Food. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? Mistake. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Time. Is this your first time in Vietnam? Is this your first time in Vietnam? Enjoy. I really enjoyed talking to you. I really enjoyed talking to you. Hope. I hope to see you again. I hope to see you again. Outstanding. You're outstanding. ear, ear, clear, clear. It's very important to have clear pronunciation. It's very important to have clear pronunciation. Air, air, care, care. We should all care about the environment. We should all care about the environment. Or, sure, sure. I'm sure you will enjoy it. I'm sure you will enjoy it. Impossible, impossible. Nothing is impossible. Nothing is impossible. Believe, believe, believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Time, time. Don't waste time. Don't waste time. Decide, decide. Let me know what you decide. Let me know what you decide. Keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. Government, government. Our government does a good job. Our government does a good job. Feel. I feel a little sick today. I feel a little sick today. Leave. When are you leaving? When are you leaving? Nervous. Don't be nervous, relax. Don't be nervous, relax. Business. You do a lot of business in Vietnam. Do you do a lot of business in Vietnam? Special. This is the special local dish. This is a special local dish. Pleasure. It's a pleasure to be here today. It's a pleasure to be here today. Bathroom. I need to use the bathroom. I need to use the bathroom. Weather. Are you used to the weather here? Are you used to the weather here? Help. Let me help you. Let me help you. Terrific. You look terrific today. You look terrific today. Change. Vietnam is changing every day. Vietnam is changing every day. language. English is an international language. English is an international language. Memory, memory. I have a good memory. I have a good memory. Number, number. Can you give me your telephone number? Can you give me your telephone number? Wrong, wrong. Is there anything wrong? Is there anything wrong? Learn, learn. Learn something new every day. Learn something new every day. Helpful, helpful. You are very helpful. You are very helpful. Welcome, welcome. You're welcome to join us. You're welcome to join us. Yesterday, yesterday. I arrived yesterday morning. I arrived yesterday morning. Trouble, trouble. I don't want to trouble you. I don't want to trouble you. Drink, drink. What would you like to drink? What would you like to drink? Last. I have lots of friends from all over the world. I have lots of friends from all over the world. This words can't express how thankful I am. Words can't express how thankful I am. Thank you very much for listening to me. Goodbye.